Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, especially Mr. Amir as a lecturer, popular literature course. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Friska Yuliati Sinaga, a student in the 8th semester at Universitas Pamulang. Alright, I would like to choose a movie with a title Kraven the Hunter, which released in 2024. This movie was written by Art Marcum, Matt Holloway, and Richard Wang. This movie produced by G.C. Chandor. The genre is action adventure. Alright, I would like to discuss the cultural elements and social issues that contains in the movie Kraven the Hunter. The first, focus on the cultural elements that contain in the movie Kraven the Hunter. This movie displays strong elements of Russian culture. Russian culture with the background of the main character named Sergei Kravinov, who is known as Kraven the Hunter. The elements of Russian culture are displayed in this movie, reflecting the values of courage, toughness, strength, and honor. The evidence of the Russian culture is when Kraven's father said, "Weakness has no place in our bloodline." Which reflect a culture of strength and honor. These cultural elements add authenticity to the storyline, making the characters seem real and relevant. In addition, this movie brings cultural elements of traditional African beliefs and spirituality. The character named Calypso, a girl in the movie Kraven the Hunter, is a girl of African descent who inherited spiritual values from her grandmother. Through herbs that have deep mystical powers with nature and ancestral spirits, these cultural elements add authenticity to the story, which depicts the background of Calypso family, which African descent and spiritual knowledge. Alright, Calypso is the character that shapes Kraven, the main character. Calypso said, "The evidence, the power you seek is not in the hound, but in knowing your place in the wild." Calypso's spiritual and magical culture builds the storyline in Sergei as Kraven's inner conflict. Through the magical potion that Calypso gives to Sergei as Kraven, right? It became a symbol of strength and develops Kraven's character from hunter to a protector of nature. Besides, the moral message conveyed by Calypso is that strength does not always come from violence, but it comes from wisdom, empathy, and balance with nature. Moreover, the evidence of dialogue from the movie The Kraven the Hunter to shows build the plot of character, especially conflict between Russian culture that Nikolai Kravinov as father Sergei and Sergei's as Kraven, Sergei's moral choice to protect nature. The first evidence from the movie, Nikolai Kravinov as father said, "The world bows to the strong. You are my son, and you will hunt as I did." Alright, from the dialogue, the harsh Russian culture, family heritage as honor is clearly visible. The Russian culture that his father wanted to pass on to Sergei became the starting point for pressure to follow his father's footsteps and become a brutal hunter like him. The conflict began to build here because Sergei that the legacy of harsh family and being a brutal hunter is not his way of life. And the other evidence, Sergei said, I've killed what I didn't understand, but now I see they were just surviving. From this dialogue is a transition moment for Sergei's character. He realized that animals were not worth to hunting as proof of power. Here, the character and storyline of Sergei as the Craven from his hunter heritage turns into an animal protector. Throughout this moment, Craven the hunter because he chose his own path, not determined by family culture. The other evidence, Russian culture from this movie, Calypso said, your blood says kill, your soul says protect. Which will you follow? Alright, this dialogue becomes the peak of Sergei's inner conflict. Choose between following his strict family in heritage value or following his inner sense of empathy. Calypso's questions drive Sergei towards the climax of storyline, which Sergei as Craven has to make a decision about who he is. The other evidence about Russian cultures, Sergei said, I'm not my father. I wouldn't be his shadow anymore. I protect what he tried to destroy. This dialogue is the resolution of the main conflict in building the plot. Sergei reflects the culture heritage Russian culture of his father that identical with brutal hunters. He stated that he chose his own path in life to protect of nature. Here, the characters, conflicts, and story values come together. Then, the cultural elements push Craven into conflict with his father, namely Nikolai Kravinov as the cruel poacher or cruel hunter. Nikolai Kravinov said the evidence dialogue. Nikolai Kravinov said, you were born a predator. You must dominate, not protect. And Sergei answered as Craven. He said, maybe I wasn't born to be like you. This dialogue shows the conflict between Sergei and his father, whose background is Russian culture, where his father wants his son to inherit violence and become a fierce and powerful hunter like himself. But here, Sergei has the choice to live different from his father. This conflict contains emotional resistance that Sergei gives to resist the harsh pressure from his father. The other evidence from the movie, Nikolai Kravinov said, weakness has no place in our bloodline. Still the same evidence. Sergei said, and then Sergei answered, compassion is not weakness. It's what makes us human. Alright, the conflict is very clear from this dialogue, where Nikolai Kravinov, as a father, he considers compassion as a form of weakness, in contrast to Sergei, who considers compassion as a form of human instinct, as symbol of true strength. This conflict becomes point between cultural elements of violence and humanity. Here, Sergei as Kravinov showed his rejection of the legacy of cruelty from his father. Another evidence of the conflict, Sergei said, you see the world as something to conquer. I see it as something to protect. Then Nikolai Kravinov as father said, "That's why you'll never be strong." The dialogue describes the difference in vision between Sergei and his father. His father believed that strength meant conquering nature and being powerful. Meanwhile, Sergei has the principle that power should be used to protect. Sergei's view as a form of rejection of the strict rules, the strict values of his father's Russian culture heritage. Shift towards empathy and care for nature, as Sergei thinks. And then, with the elements of Russian family culture and Sergei's conflict with his father, it helps develop Sergei's character as Kraven the Hunter and teaches the audience a moral lesson that there needs to be a balance between empathy and strength. The evidence, Sergei said, "They are not monsters, we are." This dialogue emphasizes the cruelty of humans when hunting animals in nature for business purpose. Meanwhile, Sergei experienced a change in his view from a family hunter to a protector of nature. Sergei's statements show his rejections of the legacy of violence and wild hunting taught by his father, but instead becomes a figure who respects nature and wild animals. The other evidence, the animals, they hunt because they must. We hunt because we choose to. That's the difference. Alright, this dialogue emphasizes Sergei's moral awareness as Kraven regarding the cruel human behavior in contrast to wild animals who hunt in nature to survive. The statement reflects Sergei is not one to be part of cruel humans and futile poachers. However, this moral teaches audience to be brave enough to take path that is in accordance with their instinct. This is a brave act that should be appreciated, not being influenced by parental pressure to inherit violence and being trapped by parental expectations. Besides, provides moral life lessons about the courage to reject wrong inheritance and the courage to confidently choose what is right and show a sense of humanity. Alright, after discussion about cultural elements from this movie, I would like to discuss about social issues. Focus on social issues. The movie Kraven the Hunter raises the social issues of poaching and exploitation. This movie depicts human brutally hunting wild animals for business purpose. Brutal hunting as a symbol of power conquers nature and dominates power. I have several evidence. The first, Sergei said, "We take what we want from the wild, then call it sport. There's no honor in that." Alright, Kraven or Sergei realized that his father's hunting is not a form of brave, but immortal exploitation. He criticized the way humans exploit nature for personal gain without considering the balance of ecosystems. And then Calypso said, another evidence, Calypso said, "They suffer because of us. The earth cries and no one listens." From the Calypso dialogues gives voice to nature and shows the impact of poaching and natural exploitations. The dialect emphasizes that human exploitations of nature not only hurts animals, but it also the earth. Humans often ignore this. These dialogues above illustrated criticisms about the exploitations of nature and illegal hunting. This movie teaches the audience to be aware and maintain human balance with nature, as well as being responsible for the surrounding environment. Alright, apart from that, this movie also conveys social issue about the identity crisis. It is caused by family culture, pressure. The evidence, Sergei S. Craven said, "I'm done being my father's weapon. I choose a different path." Craven faces an identity crisis between being his father's weapon, following in his father's footsteps and what his father wants, or being a protector, following his empathic instinct. This emphasizes the social issues of a person's freedom to choose their own path in life, often hindered by family or cultural pressures. These dialogues also illustrated reflecting the courage to leave old systems or values that are not in line with empathy and responsibility, to form a new identity that is better and more meaningful for other people and the environment. Alright, in conclusion, the movie with the title Craven the Hunter feature a mix of elements of harsh Russian culture about strength, dominance, and honor. Also spiritual and mystical African culture which shape the characters and the conflict in the story. These cultures creates pressure of Craven to follow his father's footsteps as a cruel hunter, but he instead chooses a different path from his father. This movie also raises social issues regarding the exploitation of nature and illegal hunting, as well as the identity areas due to oppressive family inheritance. The whole story gives the message that true strength does not come from violence, but from the courage to choose path according to instinctful empathy and care for maintaining the balance for nature. Alright, here concludes my presentations. I sincerely hope the presentation or discussion have been valuable. I would like to give my deepest gratitude to Mr. Amir as lecturer Populatory Literature course and all participants or audience for your kind attentions. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.